Yo, hello everybody, how you guys doing? Israel the trader speaking right here. So yeah, in this video we're going to talk about this Euro USD analysis for the day or for the week, right? Because right now the market is being closed and it will open in some few hours, right? So yeah, if you guys remember my previous analysis and things like that on this Euro USD, I made mention of when the market was right here. I said that the market will come down for retracement before it will push up to the upside. So right now that particular analysis has been respected and the market is moving now to the upside, and also we saw this retracement came down to the downside around this area, right? I sent signal to my free student now, to no free students, to my VIP and premium students when the market was around this area. So now the market is still pushing to the upside, but first of all, I will still, analyze this particular pair so that you guys can know exactly what I'm expecting now on this Euro USD when the market opens, right? So this is Euro USD for our time frame right now, and if you know me, I usually trade higher time frames, right? Starting with the 1 hour, 4 hour, daily time frame and upwards, right? But I know few people that trade maybe for 5 minutes, 1 minute candle and things like that. Those are who we refer as scalpers, not swing traders, right? Because I personally am a swing trader, so I specialize in swing trading and also intraday and day trade in the forex market, right? So without wasting much of your time, guys, let's just continue with this Euro USD so that you can understand my opinion towards what exactly is going to happen when the market opens. So right now, this is it, and this is the 4 hour time frame, so which basically means that you have to put your support and resistance, and like I do say earlier on, that this green line that you see on my chart right now, it is daily time frame resistance. This one as well, it is daily time frame support, but these pink colors, it is for 4 hour time frame support and resistance, whereby this one that you are seeing, it is for 1 hour time frame support and resistance, right? So you guys see that I did the analysis and everything. So right now I'll just explain to you guys one or two things before we continue. You see that this was where the market is when I did my previous analysis last 2 weeks ago, right? So now the market pushed up, broke out of this structure, and now continue to move, and this is where we got in last week on this particular pair being Euro USD. Then it was not even able to hit our final take profit, but went in for about almost 90 pips. So you see, went up for 90 pips in our profit, then boom, come down for another retracement again for more than that 90 pips, and now this is where I send another signal again. Then we got in for about 87 pips in profit last week. So now it's just trying to come down for retracement before it will continue to push to go up to the upside. So right now what I'm expecting on this Euro USD is that just take note of this level, but first of all, take note of this first before that level around price 1.21495. take note of this level before you can now say, okay, the market is going to go up to the upside. Wait for it to break out of this level first. That's the first thing that you're supposed to do, guys. So after waiting for it to break out of this, let me just tell you what exactly is going to happen. So wait for it to break out of this, boom, to this side, then it will retest before it will continue to push back up to the upside this way, boom. So this is what exactly I'm saying on Euro USD, and it will happen once the market opens, right? Like I said, wait for it to break out of this structure, then after breaking out to come down again for retracement. Once it comes down for that retracement, then it will continue to go up to the upside, right? And also apart from this, you can still go down to lower time frames so that you can understand exactly what is going to happen on lower time frames, right? So let's go down to 1 hour time frame. This is 1 hour time frame right now. So you guys see that the market is not able to break out of this zone, rather than it's coming down for retracement, but I'm seeing another resistance level right around this area, right? You guys see that it was support here, acted as resistance. So now the market will come down and retest this before it will come up to this point and come down for retracement before it now boom up to the upside. Let me just tell you what exactly is going to happen. See, this is where the market starts to move, come up to this level, come down for retracement, boom, come up again, come down for retracement, then continue to push to the upside from that zone, right? So you see that it is very, very simple, guys. Once you know know exactly what you are doing in the market. But first of all, before you even consider all of this move, make sure that you have your signal confluences at hand before you execute this trade on your account, right? It is very, very important, guys, because me personally, I look out for 4 to 5 signal confluences before I get into any market at all. So it is very, very important for you to look out for those things, guys. So now you can also go down to 30 minutes or 15 minutes time frame. So this is 30 minutes time frame right now, and you guys see that it's still coming down for retracement, right? So wait for this retracement to finish and wait for that candlestick pattern to be formed. So in this case now, you'll be looking out for that bullish candlestick patterns in order for it to be formed and get into the market, right? That's how we do it. Wait for the confirmation, execute your trade based on the confirmation that you are seeing in the market, then calculate your stop loss, calculate your take profit. There you go. You know, no need for you to be blowing your account or risking 100% of your account, right? Don't risk 100% of your account, guys. If you do that, there's no way that you can tell me that you'll be profitable in the forex market. That's not how to do it. And also, let me just show you something. I opened this C Trader account, which is copy trader account, and this it is just available for my students, VIP and premium student. It's not available for nobody. I will just show it to you so that you can understand exactly what I mean by risking maybe 1 to 3% of your account size and things like that. So this is the copy trade right now, and this is the trade that I'm in at the moment. So if I go down to copy now, you'll see that some of the account that I'm in. So this is the account, and you guys can see that I was up 1.57% on this particular account, and you see that it is a live account. I don't trade demo, guys. So I just deposit about $1,000 here. So right now I'm down about 0.41% on this my account, right? You can see 0.41%, and what causes that is because there are some trade that I'm in at the moment, and some are in profit, some are in a drawdown, right? You guys see this is Euro USD right now. And if I show you the pips, you now understand why exactly I'm negative on this. CCHF JPY, I'm negative around 30 something pips on that. Then USD CHF, I'm minus 6 pips on that as well. So that's how it is, guys. And you guys can see that I'm negative $4.73 on this. So that's why you are seeing that I'm negative around 0.4% on this account, right? So no need for you to be risking your whole account, guys, if you know exactly what you are doing in the market. So don't just risk the whole account. So this is the trade that we took last week. Let me just show it to you so that you can understand exactly that I got into this trade, right? So you can see that we are about 58 pips in profit still. The market just come down for retracement. You see my take profit around this area, right? This is my take profit. This is my stop loss right now. And this is where I execute my trade. You see, I identified the breakout that happened on this particular account, man. See that? So now it's still pushing to the upside, right? So that's how we do it in the forex market. You see my final take profit around here, and it is 120 pips right there. So now I'm waiting for the market to come up to this level, but I will not leave this my take profit to be triggered. I will just be setting it into profit and things like that. So that's how we do it, guys, and that's how you do it so that you don't blow your whole account, right? So too much of talk, guys, so yeah, that's the end of the analysis and things like that. So I will see you in our next video. I'm still Israel Trader, and I'm signing out. Thank you very much.